Hi Mecca Beauty Junkies, I'm Em from Mecca HQ. More and more of you are asking about our best clean and green beauty products, and I'm gonna create a look for you today with some of my favorites. Keep watching to see how I achieved this look. So first step here is to moisturize. I've got the Goldfaden MD Vital Boost Even Skin Tone Daily Moisturiser. The entire Goldfaden range uses botanical based ingredients, so no nasties in here. So for my base today, I have the Josie Maran Vibrancy Foundation, and to enhance the glow of this one, I'm going to pop in some of the Josie Maran Argan Moonstone drops. So we're gonna mix these two together. I love this foundation because it's really good for sensitive skin types and it's super hydrating, and this just makes me look really glowy, so you know, that's a win. I'm going to apply this using the Hourglass No. 2 foundation brush. So mix it in the palm of the hand. This will warm up the product and go for gold. And fun fact, all the Hourglass brushes are vegan. So I'm going to move on and start with my eyes. Here I have the RMS Cream Eyeshadow in Magnetic. The entire RMS range is all organic and natural. Their formulas are to die for, and a lot of them are coconut based, so they're really gorgeous on the skin. With this one, I'm going to apply it with my finger first and then go in and blend with a brush. So over the top, I'm going to take the RMS Swift Shadow in the colour Garden Rose. I love these because they have a beautiful satin finish, and you can intensify the colour if you want by wetting the brush and then placing it directly into the shadow. So the brush that I'm using today is a Mecca Max brush. All our Mecca Max brushes are vegan. This one here is the all over eye enhancer, and I love it because you've got the double end. This end here I like to use to press the shadow into the eye, and this fluffy end I like to use to sort of buff it out and diffuse the finish for a beautiful soft effect. Now I'm going to blend everything out. Up next, mascara. Here I have the Josie Maran Argan Black Oil Mascara. This is a fantastic product. It conditions the lashes while making them long and luscious. So time to add a little bit of colour to my cheeks. Here I have the RMS Lip to Cheek colour in Promise. This is going to give me a little bit of that post-yoga glow. And I love this colour because it's super natural and it melts into the skin like a dream. So to highlight, I have the RMS Living Luminizer. This is a real favourite in Mecca HQ. It's organic, natural, and it gives you a beautiful dewy glow. So on my lips today, I'm going to be using the Ilia lip product here. The colour is Madame Mina. So Ilia is a great range for people who are ingredient conscious. I love the formula of these ones. They've got vitamin E in them, so they're super nourishing and the colours are beautiful. So this is the finished look using all of my favourite clean and natural beauty products. I hope you enjoyed watching today. Make sure you throw us a like below and subscribe to the channel. I'm off to get a green smoothie, so I'll see you later. Bye! I like to apply this at night and in the morning and whenever I can get it out of a container. Namaste.